Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Phil. I'm from Phil Health. Everything with me is related with health. I do everything healthy in a healthy style and everything, and very conscious, very aware of the nutrients that I use. So, and of the things that I do and I speak and what I preach about health. So today I just arrived from work and I'm really hungry, and I want to cook something really fast. I want it fast and I want it now. So I'm gonna try to be as fast as possible. I just want to make some simple it's vegan food. I'm flexi vegan, not radical type, but I just want to mix some vegetables with some rice, and that is done. You got the amino acids, and then I also put some potato, sweet potato usually, because it's a carbohydrate. Mix it with the protein. Carbohydrates and protein, what they do. And the vegetables, they are already rich in amino acids, but I lack the protein. Okay, the rice has some protein, that's good, but it doesn't make it a complete protein unless I have peas, for example. And at the moment, the only thing that I have, and I actually remembered, and I'm glad I remembered, I have some chickpeas, which it will work really nice. So now I'm just going to crack on here, and I'm going to use a small knife, and I'm going to start with the honey. Okay, so I start with the onion. I was not eating onions for a long time, not cooking with onions for a long time, but I decided to use them again. And I was not using garlic also, but I decided to use it again because I was testing, and I'm always testing, and I definitely can confirm that there is no difference. If you eat it, if you don't eat it, there is no difference, Some say that the onion is toxic. For sure, after it's cooked, it's not toxic at all. And the garlic that takes the brain hemispheres out of balance. To be honest, my brain's just working the same with or without garlic. I wash everything, of course. Yeah, of course. So I hope you guys seen it. Yeah. I'm sorry, but there is not much space. I wish it could be in front, the camera in the front, so you could really see me what I'm doing. But I'm gonna incline a little bit like that, because I want everyone to see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm cutting the onion. Trying to be as fast as possible. It's 8 minutes past 8. 8 minutes past 8. Usually I take 1 hour, but I'm trying to take only half an hour. Okay. This knife needs some sharpen. Sure. I just want to cut it to pieces. Little pieces. And we got the onion in pieces. I don't do the stock. I don't cook stock. I also don't use oils on my cookings. I was using it, but then I found out that I don't feel very well with the oils. Okay, now the garlic. I'm gonna put about 3 cloves of garlic. They're not very big. 1, 2, 3. Where do you, okay, 4. Okay, 4, because I want it to have some good flavor, garlic flavor. I love it. Okay, I can do it like that. Peel the garlic like that. Not very difficult. And there's another way, which seems to be a little bit faster, and a lot of you know how it works. I just pick up a bigger knife and I smash the garlic. And that will make it faster to peel. Okay. Here it is. You see how fast you can peel a garlic. Okay, this one is being stubborn. Nice. Garlic. Okay. So now I'm gonna cut the garlic in little pieces. Like usually I don't cut it like that, so let me use a big knife. Yeah, like this is much better. Wow. Careful to cut your fingers. So I just cut it in little pieces. Oh my god, my nail. Almost. I'm being too fast. This is because the knife is not really very sharp. And usually I don't cut garlic like this. There's usually a good tool to do it. Okay, but I'm gonna be more careful. I almost lost my finger. Okay, 4 cloves of garlic inside. Next, I got some, oh, nice. I love this one. It's rich in tryptophan. I believe it's Brussels sprouts. So let me use pair number, which is 6. I love pair numbers. I wash it. Don't need too much washing because you know it's gonna boil, so it's gonna kill all the bugs. And I cut each one in 4. Put it inside in 4. I cut it in half, then I cut each half in 4. They look very nice. I love Brussels sprouts. I love it. Yes. The most predominant amino acid on the Brussels sprouts is the tryptophan, which you know that increases the levels of serotonin and is the happiness hormone, and by its turn is gonna help to have more melatonin, so it improves the sleep. Yeah? Okay, this is just the basics of the amino acids. This is a vegetable stew with French garlic, is it? Yeah, the French garlic. I don't use this for a long time. I just bought one like that because I just need it for now. With some slices, just for the flavor. For the flavor, so I will keep half of it. Yeah, I will keep half of it, and I'm gonna cut them in half. I think, yeah, cut them in half, all of them. Attention, because I'm just improvising it. everything inside the pot. Next, everything inside the pot. Next will be some sweet pepper. I cut about half of sweet pepper. It contains enzymes in which, if you mix the sweet pepper with papaya and with pineapple, so bromelain and papain, the enzymes, and the enzymes from the sweet pepper. Okay, I'm going on a 10 minutes video. Okay. I'll go better with a big knife, which is not very sharp, but at least it will cut faster, I think. Yeah. There it goes. Ooh, this knife, it really needs some sharpening. Okay. Wow. And boom, inside the pot. Nice. I only have that pepper. I don't have the yellow or the orange and the green. I think that one is enough. Then next, wow, I got some courgette. I got some courgette here. So courgette, let me use just a little like that. And the courgette, I'm gonna put it inside the pot with the peel. Good inside with the peel. Some people complain about the nanotechnology or nano things on the peel of the vegetables, but I think they will die inside. They will die with the boiling. You know, I'm just making it easy. Because in the end, everything is gonna be mixed inside my stomach, in my digestive system. So we got some asparagus. So asparagus. Let me get 3 tips. 3 tips of asparagus. So let me see which one. Okay. I cut them just. The most softer part. So the most softer part of this tree, and then I cut it to pieces also. And I'll put it inside the pot. Everything inside the pot. Wow, there's a lot of vegetables here already. And last but not least, something that is very good for the digestive system, ladyfingers. I'm gonna use about 6 of them, and then I'll wash it. Wash it. Just wash. And I'll put them all in line. I cut their heads. There's a bit here that I cannot waste. Okay, I can't waste the rest. I use the smaller knife and I cut the little pieces. There they go inside the pot. Yes. Okay, I'm not gonna add anything else. Oh, there's the sweet potato. The sweet potato. I got half of it. I got a peeler. A peeler of the small peeler. Ship. I bought it for about 50 pence, something like that. I'm gonna put some sweet potato on. Okay. This will be really enough for 2 portions, so I'm gonna put the whole potato inside, you know, because sweet potato is so good, you know, and you can eat it raw It's even better than carrots. It tastes really good. I only tried it raw recently and is awesome. I love it. And you know, it regulates the blood sugars and is very good for digestive system issues, and it heals ulcers and everything. And of course it's rich in carbohydrates. It provides plenty of energy. So I'm gonna cut in squares, also still squares. I think I'm gonna continue using this knife. Yeah. Get some squares inside. Every time I cook, every time I eat, the only thing I can think of is energy, nutrients, you know? Yes. And the benefits of it, you know, spiritually, psychologically, and physically, you know, and nutritionally, of course. So, gonna take. Oh my god, I don't know where I'm going to put the rice. For sure I'll be able to fit it there. The pot should be bigger. And okay, I have to just take this file and